Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hello. So you want to know more about how to build a birdhouse for birds native to Oregon? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to build a birdhouse for birds native to Oregon is Vimeo.com. See the page titled A Bird Ballet on Vimeo. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Bird, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see bird-rescue.org. The web page International Bird Rescue, Home, Wildlife Oil Spill. Here's the link.